Your annual checkup with the doctor. Doctor. Good morning, Mr. Sanders. How are you today? Patient. I'm fine, thank you. Doctor. You are here for your annual checkup. Do you have any concerns about your health? Patient. No, everything has been fine. Doctor. Great. Let's take your blood pressure. Patient. Okay. Doctor takes the patient's blood pressure. Doctor. Your blood pressure is normal. Let me listen to your heart and lungs with my stethoscope. Good. Everything seems normal there. How much exercise do you get each week? Patient. Not very much. I just take a short walk most days. Doctor. That's okay, but try to get at least 30 minutes of activity every day. Now let's see how your weight is. Patient steps on scale. Patient. Oh no, I've gained some weight. Doctor. Maintaining a healthy weight is important for your health. Try eating less sugar and more fruits and vegetables every day. Patient. Will do. Doctor. I see from your medical history that you have a serious allergy to dogs. Do you have any pets in your house? Patient. No, we used to have a dog, but our daughter now takes care of him. Doctor. Okay. We will also need to do some routine medical tests, including a blood test, to check your cholesterol level. Patient. Okay. Doctor. Have you stopped smoking? Patient. Yes, I quit a few months ago. Doctor. Excellent. That's great for your health. Just remember to continue with regular checkups. Come in to see me if you have any concerns. Patient. Thank you, doctor.